Okay, friends, so this is the second video of no rate limit life practical second. So let me, let me search any of the website. Let me not a site in title. Okay, in title this, or you can just search in URL. That will would be better. Yeah, this one, right? So what I will do, I will take one of the website and I will show you the live reporting and live hunting for no rate limiting. So okay, let me open this website. Let's see what is the responsible disclosure for that. So you can see this website has its own responsible disclosure, and here it is, all the submission form that how you can fill those things. Correct. Okay, I'm getting a message from robot. Okay, not a problem. So here you can read each and everything regarding this responsible disclosure, whatever you want to. Correct. What are the prohibited actions that they are just telling to the researchers. Correct. And apart from this, you can search everything whatever you want. Okay, so what I will do, I will just go in that sign in button, just like click here. Let me see what actually they are trying to do, right? Okay, apart from this, let me open also this one, the Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so here guys, you can see I can sign in. Okay, let's open this Mozilla Firefox. It's loading. So the steps are very simple. I already have given you in the previous video as well. So in this video, you just need to follow and make sure that wherever I'm doing this, make sure that you will have to search other targets, and you can do on those platforms. So I'm doing on virtue.com. So you can see here they are just asking for signing using this google.com and Outlook and other things as well. But here it is what it is, or to request a one-time verification link. What they are telling, one-time verification link, right? Enter your email password and you will get it. Correct. Not a problem. We have no problems right here. What I will do here, that I will just open my Mozilla Firefox. Okay. I think Bob Suit is on intercept. Yes. See here. Let's take on one of the temporary email ID. Temporary email ID. Okay. It's loading. Okay. So we got this one email ID. So we will use this one. Okay. Why it is showing error? Bob Suit. Okay. Great. It's loading and you can see. Right. So what I will do, I will just give the email ID. The whole link pasted. I will just click here to paste the this email ID. Now they are already saying that that one-time verification link it is right. But what I will do, I will just make my intercept is on. Click on submit. I got this request. Correct. Now you can see here that connection is closed here, right? So what I will do, I will just forward it. Again, I am receiving something detection.firefox forward forward. Now what I received whatever the email I sent. I submitted. Now what I will do is just right click on send to intruder and positions, clear all the positions and select your positions. Here it is the best one position. Add, make sure that you have clicked on a sniper, make it to payloads, go in the go in the numbers, set the numbers. I'm setting till 1000 or 10,000 and step 1. Okay. Now before starting, let me show you that till now, okay, We have already, I think I already have done so many times in there. That's why it is showing. Okay, so delete. Let me delete all the things. I hope it has been deleted. Okay, your inbox is empty. Ah, it's taking time, man. Okay, your inbox is empty. It is showing, right? So what I will do now, I will just start attack and we'll see. The status should be for 429, but it is showing a 200, correct? And you will see the lot of request. Uh, this email ID will get it from this website. Okay, refresh. Come on. Let me take another website. It's taking time, right? So what I will do, I will just cancel this. It's taking time, so let me take another website. I mean another temporary email, because that one is taking too much time. Okay, I'm taking this one. Okay, so here we can see where we have only one request, right? So just copy this one and go here. Let me just close that intercept. Intercept is off, and I'm changing the password. Go back. I'm changing that mail ID, right? So now what I will do, I will just click on intercept on and submit. Now see here, forward connection is already closed here, so I'm just forwarding. You can also click on there, not a problem, big problem of that. Okay, what is here? They are not showing my IP or something. Yes, they're showing the email ID. Now what I will do, I will just send to intruder, right? Positions, clear everything. Just click here, add, go in the payload section, numbers, and just set the numbers. Very easy. One, right? So start attack. See here, it is happening now. Just come here. See here, guys. See, you can see here. Show more. Let me show more. We are receiving lot of you can say lot of request which shouldn't be happened. See here. I mean it's like a flood. Correct. It's like a flood. So you can. I hope you understood. Uh, let me report this. Let me report this. So where it is, responsible disclosure. So let me just okay. Let me just current attack. Okay, right. So in the live, I will show you reporting, that how you can report these things. WordPad. Let me open my WordPad. Okay. So it's a live reporting, guys. Okay. So first one, what is you need to tell the vulnerability sorry, vulnerability name, no rate limit, vul vulnerable. Okay, let me, yeah, I hope you can see now. Vulnerable URL. So you need to just click the URL where you have find this one, right? Just click here. This was the URL, right? Now steps to reproduce. That is the steps to reproduce. Okay, so step first, go to link, right? Step 2, take any email ID and enter into it. Okay. Step 3, do intercept on, right? Okay, do intercept on, and what you can do else, and click on submit button, right? Now step 4, okay, keep forwarding until you get the request, get the below request, right? Which request? So this one, whatever we got. So where we got, sorry, intruder, go in the target positions, this one, hold this one, just copy and paste here. That's it. That's too long, I know, but not a problem, right? Now what you need to do is step 5. We are on step 5, right? Let me check this. Step 2, step 4, yes, correct. Step 5 is that, okay, so this one, step 5 is that okay, not a problem. Now choose the position. Which position you need to choose? This one, right? And set the numbers in payload section from 1 to 1000. Step 6 is click on start attack. You will see every request having a status code 200, which means successful. Okay, so what will be the impact? So impact is business risk, financial loss, or you can also search from Google as well if you want. So let me just search from HackerOne. Maybe there is lot of uh, okay, I don't want to click on sign in. Oh, what I'm doing. No rate limit. Okay, just click on it and you will get to know many impacts of this. So yeah, you can see here, this is one of the impact, so you can just directly write down here, correct? Right. And what are the mitigation? You can just type the mitigation. You can also copy. Okay, he hasn't okay, solution he has, right? Okay, so you can directly copy and you can also edit from your side, right? So that's it, guys. This is what you need to submit. Vulnerability name, vulnerable URL, steps to reproduce, impact, and a mitigation or solution, you can say, right? Okay, let me just slash it and solution. see. Okay, now what I will do, I will just go in the page of this, and here they are telling me just to report anything. Vulnerability details, description. Okay, right. Here is the description. I have just write all the descriptions, and summary title, no rate limit on, where we have find, here it is, no rate limit on this. Technical severity. Okay, so it comes in the business logic, I guess. Broken again. Okay, let's see what it is here. Improper authentication. That's also cool. So we have improper. Okay, no. Okay, so what we will choose, others. We can also choose server security misconfiguration. Okay, so if you are not if you are thinking that your vulnerability is not lie in that, then you can just click on that others, right? And vulnerability details, URL and location. So I'm just giving the location, correct? Okay, let me also search if is it working or not. Okay, so it is working, correct, great. Now, now trace down STP, STP request, okay. Additional information, no attachments. Yes, you can just show the attachments. Fake disposal, so you can just use the snip file. Sorry, no rate limit, vulnerability, correct guys. So just go there, and you can also attach videos guys. If your video is up to 400 MB, then you can just attach, and after that I will attach my video here as well. So add attachment, correct. So add attachment from documents, here it is. This is the picture. Researcher email ID, so I'm just giving my email ID. Confirmation, I agree background terms and conditions. Okay, let me change my email ID. No. Okay, great. That's it guys. Here it is, and you are good to just submit this report, and we will see that what exactly we will find out, right? So your submission has been taken care, right? Okay, so that's it guys. Bye bye, take care.